Hey, Knoxville Marketplace, Nate Burket with Lakeview Home Improvement. Hope you guys are doing well. I see a lot of folks on here seeking a qualified contractor to perform various different duties around their house, so I felt this would be the best time for me to introduce myself. We're a licensed, bonded, and insured home improvement contractor here in the West Knoxville Marketplace. Our focal point is on bathrooms, kitchens, and home improvement or home additions. Our steps are pretty straightforward. The first thing that we would do would be schedule a 30-minute phone call with you to go over the details of your project, see if it makes sense for both of us, give you some bracketed pricing on what that may cost. Following that, we may come out, do a on-site consultation, give you some detailed drawings, the scope of work, timeline, and then after that, we would schedule up the work and you can enjoy that improvement that you've been dreaming of. Again, my name is Nate Burket with Lakeview Home Improvement. If there's anything we can do for you, just give us a shout through our website or social media. Have a good afternoon.